Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, we are here in Mill Hill East in the London Borough of Barnet in North London. Well, NW7, so North West London now. And where I flew before was Finchley. That was the N3 postcode, so we're in North London. And as you can see, we are literally on the hill. Insane views, unrivaled views. We can now get a shot here. So what we're going to do, a 360-degree photo, and then we're going to just zip around the area. 360-degree photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around the area, and I just saw a coach pull by, so let's go follow that. There's a little coach. We'll see if we can follow that. I don't think we can, it's gone too far now. There's a lot of new builds in this area. It's newly built, gentrified. A lot of gentrification happening in this area. That's Northern Line train. Let's try and follow this train when it moves off, because we're in the end of the line and it actually branches off here. It's just one station that's branched off from Finchley Central, which is where I flew before. So there's a little car park here. I think that's the station car park. Also Waitrose, there's a Waitrose here. I don't know if it's me, but there's a lot of Waitroses in this area. Actually, every drone flight that I've done in the London Borough of Barnet, there's been a Waitrose nearby. When I flew in Whetstone, there's a Waitrose. When I flew in High Barnet, there's a Waitrose. And I think there's a Waitrose in Finchley as well. Yeah, there's a lot of Waitroses in this area. Waitroses, yeah. So let's go towards there's new builds in this area. Let's just go towards that. Looks really nice. And the sun's a bit low down in the sky because it's 4:30 almost. I mean, yeah, it's 4:30. 4:28. Alright. Let's go towards this little area. Look at this nice countryside that surrounds it. We're actually coming closer to where we are, so. See, there's a lot of new builds here. Looks really nice. A lot of solar panels on the roof as well. It's like Barking Riverside. Barking Riverside's constantly getting upgraded. Probably going to do a drone flight there in the near future, just to see its progress. Maybe I could do like a yearly drone flight in Barking Riverside, just to see what its progress is. I last did a drone flight in March. No, I did it in December, around that time, or November. And look, there's a substation right here, electric substation. So this drone flight is, half of it solar powered and half of it I charge it from the grid from my house. I mean, our electricity, a lot of it's actually come from wind. Like yesterday there was a tremendous amount of wind in the country. So because there's a lot of wind farms now in this country, we're getting a lot of our electricity from wind. Actually most of it from yesterday, our electricity actually came from wind, so kind of surprising. Like before we used coal a lot in this country, and now we use more renewable. We're even using a lot of solar. So even if I'm charging from the grid today, I'm actually a bit of it's solar charged anyway. a bit of an electricity solar charge. Look at that contrast of the countryside around it. But yeah, I've charged it from my power bank, which is solar charged. I mean, because I don't want to use up my power bank too much, and when it's night and I want to charge it for storage, I just charge it from the grid. But when it's still sunlight out, like when it's summer, I could go back and I could just charge it from solar. And when I flew in Perivel, all of that, the whole battery, that when I flew in Perivel, that was all solar charged. So yeah, hopefully, probably in the next decade or so, we'll probably have 100% renewable energy. Look at that nice little area here. Go a little bit towards this area, then we'll just come back, get a shot. This little neighbourhood looks like a new build. Let's just follow this little van. Oh no, it's probably going that way. It's positioning that way. So let's just go towards this little area down there. Actually, my flipping sticks. I think it's a bit windy, that's why. Let's get a sideways shot of this area. Nice little shot of this neighbourhood. It's like a brand new neighbourhood. See, this patch of land, as you can see right here, has not been developed yet. And there are houses that have already been built. Nice little shot. There's a little car over there. It's like a little quiet drone flight. When I flew in Finchley and I flew off that bridge, so there was a lot of cars coming in the video, so it probably disturbed the video a little bit, but we're flying in a quiet area now. Very quiet here. It's on top of a hill. I was gonna take off from outside the station and I thought, because this place is in the hill, I'd get better shots here. Person flying down on an e-bike, actually insane. Where should we go now? We've been everywhere in this area, pretty much everywhere. Let's get a shot of the station. Towards the station. We'll just get a shot of where it's sunny, because where I am, even though we're literally right next to the drone, it's sunny where the drone is right now, and it's cloudy where I'm taking off from. So yeah, it shows how volatile the weather is here. Yesterday, the weather was so volatile. Like I've actually got a time-lapse camera on my chimney, because I'm making a time-lapse project. I'm doing a year time-lapse project, and yeah, I actually hope I'm gonna put it on my channel soon, depending on depending on when you're watching this. I've made a year-long time-lapse, and I plan to keep it up there. So it's pretty interesting shots that I've got on the roof. But yesterday, the weather was so volatile. Like 1 minute it was the sun was out, even though it was windy. And the next minute, it actually just chucked it down with rain. And that's the thing. The weather is so volatile, unbelievable. But the good thing is that I've actually put my solar panel out yesterday to charge my drone battery. But unfortunately, as I put it out, it started chucking it down. And I didn't expect it. That shows how volatile the weather is here. So let's go towards this little village area. We haven't been down here before. Let's go down towards here. So look at that, nice shot, look at that. These shots are amazing. Look at that, it's insane. Flying my drone all over London. I've flown in every single London borough already. That video is already on my channel. Let's get a shot of this area down there. Look at that, trees are blooming already. Some trees are blooming, some trees are not. We're in March. Look at that nice little shot. Look at that. Amazing shot. It's quite hard to get a shot like that. But you know what, we'll come back now. Drone battery is a little bit low now. So just do a local flight. What I'm going to do a local shot of the rooftops in this area. Person flying down the e-bike, look at that. Get a shot of that. Oh, it's not an e-bike, I think it's a normal regular bike. I think because the speed that's going down the hill, it looks like an e-bike. What I want to do, I want to get a low down shot of this area. I'll go a little bit towards here.
Yeah. Come, killer.
Look at that. Let's get a nice shot of this area down there. So there's a bus coming down here. Look at that. Nice little shot. I don't know why I stopped there. Oh, it's a bus stop, okay. From my screen, you can't really tell because it's a small screen. I'm going to land a drone now. Let's get a quick shot of going towards here quickly. And then we'll bring it back now. Got to bring it back. I want to get a nice cinematic shot of that. Look at that, let's keep getting a cinematic shot of that. Going over the high rise, look at that. A sick shot. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in the London borough of Barnet, Mill Hill East. Amazing little area, northwest London. And I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.